Have you ever wondered how creators are getting paid to make content even if they don't have a massive following? It's not just big influencers with millions of subscribers cashing in anymore. There's a huge opportunity called UGC, or user-generated content. And if you're over 40, you might be surprised at how perfectly positioned you are to benefit from it. I'm going to share with you exactly what UGC is, how you can get paid to create it even if your YouTube channel is small, and the steps you should take so brands can actually find you. And stick around until the end because I'll also share a resource that connects you directly with companies who are actively looking for creators like you. Hey, my name is Rob, and I help people over 40 break into the creator economy, start thriving YouTube channels, and build new income streams online. If that's something you're interested in, be sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of my tips. Let's start with the basics. What is UGC? Well, UGC stands for User-Generated Content. It's any kind of content, videos, photos, testimonials, or tutorials that's created by a user rather than the brand itself. And here's the key difference. Unlike influencer marketing, UGC isn't about you having a huge audience. It's about creating content that a brand can use for their marketing. So that means they're paying you for your creativity, your personality, your ability to make authentic content. They're not paying you for your subscriber count. For example, a skincare company might hire you to film a simple unboxing and first impressions video. A tech brand might pay you to show how you set up their new device at home. A software company might want you to record a short tutorial that they might post on their own website or run as an ad, or just have you publish it on your own channel. And here's why this is exciting for creators over 40. Many brands want representation from a broader demographic. They don't only want 20-year-olds promoting their products. They want content that looks authentic and relatable to the audience they're targeting, which could be your age group. And that's part of why this is such a big opportunity. Let's talk about that, especially if your channel is still small. With traditional brand deals, companies usually want influencers with a large following to promote directly to their audience. But with UGC, your follower count or your subscriber count doesn't matter nearly as much. What truly matters is, can you create clean, professional-looking content? Do you look comfortable on camera? Can you explain or demonstrate a product in a natural way? And if the answer is yes, then you can get paid for UGC. And here's another big reason UGC is so powerful. It's scalable. Instead of hoping to land one giant deal with one company, you can work with multiple brands at once. And each project might be a few dollars to a few $100, or in some cases even a few $1,000s, and it does add up. So how do you set yourself up to attract UGC opportunities on YouTube? Well, the way it worked for me was I just kept publishing videos, and once I hit around 1,100 subscribers, I started to get emails from companies asking me if I'd be interested in participating. So I wasn't very proactive initially, but you can be. Let me break it down for you. The first step is to position yourself as a helpful expert. You don't need to make your whole channel about product reviews, but sprinkling in a few videos here and there where you can use or explain tools and software or products in your niche really helps. That's what I do, and this shows brands that you're capable of creating engaging content around products and services. Step 2 is to add a clear contact method. So in your About page and your video descriptions, include a professional email address so companies know how to reach you. And believe it or not, a lot of creators miss this step and end up invisible to brand managers. Step 3 is to build a small portfolio. Even if no company has hired you yet, you can create a few mock UGC videos. Just leave them unlisted on your channel. And you've got that to showcase your skills that way. So for example, film yourself unboxing something you already own, or record a 30-second demo of a product that you use every day. This gives potential clients an immediate sense of your style. Step 4, Keep your content clean and professional. This doesn't mean you need Hollywood level equipment, but make sure your videos are well lit and your audio is clear and you look approachable on camera. It doesn't have to be perfect, but brands do want relatively polished, usable content. Now, let's be real. Not every email you get will be worth your time. Some companies will offer you free products in exchange for content, and at first that can feel exciting, but remember, your time and skill have value. There's nothing wrong with occasionally accepting a free product if it genuinely aligns with your interests and helps you build your portfolio, and also if it aligns with what you're trying to deliver for your audience. But your goal should be to move quickly towards paid deals. As kind of a general rule of thumb that I follow, if the content takes you more than an hour to create, you should be compensated financially. So we've talked about setting up your YouTube channel to attract opportunities, but what if you don't want to wait for companies to come to you? That's where platforms come in. There are UGC marketplaces and communities where brands actively search for creators. One that I personally recommend is Pillar.io. And what's great about Pillar is that it gives you direct access to the right people at companies you might want to approach for brand partnerships. So instead of sending cold emails into the void, you can actually get in front of decision makers who are open to working with creators. And Pillar.io does a lot more for you as a creator as well, so I'll leave a link to that in the description box so you can check it out and see if it's a good fit for you. And incidentally, I can get you 20% off of that with my code, which I'll leave in the description box for you as well. I do want to take a moment to address something important. If you're over 40, you might be thinking, well, why would a brand want to work with me? And the truth is, brands desperately need representation across age groups. Think about it. If a company is selling financial tools, wellness products, home improvement gear, or anything geared towards families and professionals, does it make sense to only show 20-year-olds in their marketing? Of course not. As a creator over 40, you bring credibility, life experience, and relatability that many younger creators simply can't. You represent a massive buying demographic that brands want to reach. So please don't underestimate the value you bring to the table. Now, what are the action steps that you need to take? Here's some stuff you can do today. Film 2 or 3 UGC style videos with products you already own. Keep them short, simple, and professional. Update your channel description with a clear business email so companies know how to reach you, and put that email in your video description boxes as well. Then start sharing content that involves products or tools in your niche, even casually. This shows brands what you're capable of. And definitely check out Pillar.io or other UGC marketplaces so you can connect directly with companies looking for creators. Know your worth. Start saying yes to opportunities that respect your time and skills, and don't be afraid to politely decline those that don't. Right now, UGC is one of the fastest growing ways to monetize as a creator, and you don't need a massive channel to get started. If you're over 40, you're actually in a fantastic position to carve out your space in this world and start earning from your creativity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on building your YouTube channel and breaking into the creator economy later in life. And if you want to take this further, check out the link in the description box to Pillar.io, where you can start connecting directly with brands today. I appreciate you watching. Check out one of these helpful videos next. I'll see you there.